Hey there, travel enthusiasts! If you're dreaming about your next big adventure, look no further than Yellowstone National Park. Today, I'm going to share the top 10 things you've absolutely got to experience when you visit this incredible slice of nature. First up, the iconic Old Faithful Geyser. This granddaddy of geysers erupts roughly every 90 minutes, shooting boiling water up to 180 feet in the air. It's a must-see spectacle that never fails to amaze. Number 2, the Grand Prismatic Spring. Picture this, a hot spring that's a dazzling rainbow of colors thanks to the unique bacteria living in its waters. It's the largest hot spring in the United States, and it's pure magic. Third, the Mammoth Hot Springs. These limestone terraces look like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. The constantly changing formations are a photographer's dream. Coming in at number 4, the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. With its stunning waterfalls and dramatic cliffs, this canyon offers some of the most breathtaking views in the park. Don't forget your camera for this one. Number 5, take a wildlife safari. Yellowstone is home to bison, elk, bears, and wolves. Join a guided tour or drive through Lamar Valley, often called America's Serengeti. Just remember to keep a safe distance. 6th on the list, Norris Geyser Basin. It's the hottest, oldest, and most dynamic thermal area in Yellowstone. With its otherworldly landscapes and steaming geysers, it's like stepping onto another planet. At number 7, Yellowstone Lake. This massive alpine lake is perfect for boating, fishing, or just relaxing by the shore. The serene waters and surrounding mountains make it an idyllic spot to unwind. 8th, the Hayden Valley. This lush, wide-open space is prime territory for spotting wildlife. Early morning or late afternoon is the best time to catch a glimpse of bison herds or even a grizzly bear. Number 9, explore the park's backcountry. With over 900 miles of trails, there's no shortage of hiking adventures to be had. Whether you're looking for a short day hike or a multi-day excursion, Yellowstone's diverse landscapes are waiting to be explored. And finally, number 10, the Boiling River. This unique spot is where hot springs mix with the cold waters of the Gardner River, creating a natural hot tub experience. It's the perfect way to relax after a day of exploring. So there you have it, the top 10 things to experience in Yellowstone. Each one is a gem of its own, making this park a must-visit for any nature lover. Pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips. Until next time, happy travels!